We get it. Labor's tight, so is space. Customers want great tasting food now. Every second counts and every decision matters. Products with menu appeal, operational efficiency, and fair pricing make a big difference to customer satisfaction, your margins, and your bottom line profitability. Especially products that are on, well, nearly everything. When is the last time you took a look at all the cheese you buy? With its total volume, new flavors, and packaging innovations, it may be worth your while. The right blends, flavors, and cut styles can help you and your menu stand out. And the right packaging, well, that can help your back of house run smoother, delivering time-saving steps, improved quality and portion control, waste reduction, and optimized storage. Here at Great Lakes Cheese, we've got more options than anybody else. And yeah, a few awards to go with it. How does your cheese profitability stack up? Let's explore that answer together. Schedule a cheese portfolio review today. 440-834-3593.